Zimbabwe Heroes Day, the 11th of August 2025. Today, we gather to honor the bravery and sacrifices of our heroes nationwide. We remember those who strive to attain our freedom, justice, and equality. Their legacy inspires us to continue striving for a truly free Zimbabwe. 45 years after our hard-won independence from colonialism, calls for freedom still echo across the length and breadth of Zimbabwe. The gap between what our freedom fighters fought for and our present lived realities continues to widen. Even veterans of the liberation struggle themselves have not tasted real freedom in our troubled nation. Many of the repressive laws used during the Rhodesian era continue to keep the general populace in fear of a government bereft of legitimacy. The one-man, one-vote aspiration our freedom fighters died for has been banished by world-renowned election fraud. Our natural resources, largely controlled by the state, are used mainly for power retention at the expense of national development. To our heroes who passed away during or after the liberation struggle, our hearts sing praises for your gallantry. We honor your memory and celebrate your varied contributions. Your courage and determination paved the way for our belief in freedom and demand for our rights. You unshackled us from colonial bondage and taught us to insist on our human dignity. Our indomitable spirit comes from your gallantry. To our living heroes, we express our deepest gratitude. Your dedication and perseverance serve as a beacon of hope for our nation. We salute your achievements and continue to draw inspiration from your examples. We also salute all who gave support to the liberation war effort by feeding, shielding, and informing the freedom fighters. Intelligence from non-combatants, often dismissed as plain villagers and cattle herders, gave our combatants a fighting chance against well-resourced Rhodesian forces. As ZAPU, we recognize the heroism of all freedom fighters at provincial and national levels. We also recognize the unsung heroes in different communities, appreciated only by their families and small social circles. Their contributions were not in vain, for what we call Zimbabwe today is the sum of every small step taken in the quest for freedom. We urge communities to speak more about the heroic exploits of their local heroes, in order for them to be honored by the state for bravery and patriotism. Consider your local heroes when naming roads and social amenities in your communities. Today, as we commemorate Heroes Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to the values of patriotism, selflessness, and national service. May the sacrifices of our heroes motivate us to build a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Let us strive to make a positive impact in our communities, promote unity, and uphold the principles of justice and equality. Together, we can create a better world for all. Thank you to our heroes, both past and present, for your unwavering commitment to Zimbabwe's well-being. Your legacy will forever be etched in our hearts and minds.